Hey guys, welcome back to Up Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Rejuvaknee Heating Knee Massager Joint Pain Relief. So, Rejuvaknee is a wearable knee therapy device designed to help provide temporary relief for knee discomfort using a combination of heat therapy, vibration massage, and compression. According to the official website here, it's intended for people experiencing knee stiffness, soreness, reduced mobility, or discomfort related to aging, arthritis, everyday activity, or previous injuries. Now, the company promotes it as a drug-free, non-invasive alternative that can be used at home as part of a daily wellness routine. Now, the device combines three therapy modes. Heat function is designed to warm the knee and encourage blood circulation, while helping or relax muscles around the joint. Now, the vibration massage provides rhythmic pulses that the manufacturer says can help reduce muscle tension and improve comfort. Finally, the compression wrap securely supports the knee while applying gentle pressure around the joint. Now, users can adjust the heat and massage intensity through the built-in touch controls to match the comfort level here. Now, using Rejuvaknee is quite simple. You just need to wrap the device around your knee using the adjustable straps and fasten it securely. Turn the unit on, select your preferred heat and vibration settings, and wear it for at least 15 minutes per session. Although many users choose longer sessions depending on comfort. Now, the company states that the one-size-fits-all design includes extension straps to accommodate different leg sizes, and the rechargeable battery allows the device to be used without remaining plugged in during treatment. Now, in this case, the official website here frequently advertise promotional pricing at around 50% off, with pricing generally starting at about $79.95 for a single device. Purchases typically include a rechargeable battery, user guide, extension straps, and a 60-day money-back guarantee, although promotions may vary over time. Now, that's essentially how Rejuvaknee works. It combines heat, vibration, massage, and compression into a wearable knee wrap intended to provide temporary comfort and improve mobility during regular use. Now, these are all information or claims in their website. Now, since this is a health-related product here, it is highly recommended to consult a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before using any kind of products that basically claims or have claims like these one, especially if you have arthritis, a recent knee injury, have undergone knee surgery, or have underlying medical conditions affecting your joints. But that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.